Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, trying to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spent a couple of hours, alright, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, been asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with
boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. Wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time, and patiently giving you reasons to find the courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight,
hold hands if the mood's right,
make plans till the sunrise
and sleep till noon.
I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet
and leave after sunset.
And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with you.
La da 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 da. Let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice, take it for a walk while we talk about our lives. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. And I don't need a gift, I don't need to know your sign, and we don't need to do something you don't really like. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. But no one ever really gets it. I swear I got the best intentions, cause I'm not really good at saying words, but we can find a way to make it work. What's your favorite kind of movie? It doesn't really matter to me, cause I'm down to do whatever is the mood. Just tell me what I can do to make you mine. Baby, I've been trying to love you the way I do best, so would you just take my hand and let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over.